Hello and welcome back, guys. So we need to find the power of a number, but using math module. Right. So what we can do, perhaps, is I'm not sure about the method that exists. It could be POW or power, something like that. Right. So it will take the base and then the exponent, I guess. Right. That should, if it works, it's fine. Otherwise, there is no attribute. Right. So POW maybe only. Maybe it works. Maybe it does not. Okay, great. It worked. Right. So yeah, that's how we do it using POW, right? But that's not required as well, right? We know there is this operator that we can use, right? The multiplication operator. Let's see how other people have done it. Pretty much, yeah, like this. You could do it without math, but since it's asking for us to use math, right? So we had to do it properly, right? So yeah, that's how we solved it. So I think like this is an easy problem, multiple ways to do it, but yeah, they are just testing us with the knowledge of our math module, I guess. So yeah, that's how we solve this particular problem. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.